In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a payout from Wix. Whether you're a small business owner, a creator, or someone managing an online store, getting paid is one of the most important aspects of running your Wix site. Wix makes the process fairly straightforward, but it's important to understand the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can connect your payment method and start receiving payouts smoothly. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Make sure you use the correct credentials associated with the Wix site where you want to manage payouts. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry. Wix has you covered. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard homepage. This is your main hub for managing your site, and from here you can access all the tools and settings you need. Take a moment to ensure you're in the right place, as the dashboard is where it all begins. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various options listed there, and one of them is labeled Getting Paid. Click on that option. This section is dedicated to managing all things related to payments, so it's where we'll set up your payout method. Once you're in the Getting Paid section, navigate to the Payment Settings page. You should see this option clearly displayed, and it's where you'll configure the details for how you want to receive payments from Wix. Click on Payment Settings, and let's move to the next step. In the Payment Settings area, look for the option that says Connect Payment Method. This is the key step in setting up how you'll get paid. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, Wix might prompt you to verify some information about your account or site, so make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Before you proceed, take a moment to verify your region's setting. Your region determines which payment methods are available to you, so it's important that it's set correctly. If you notice that your current region is incorrect, make any necessary adjustments here. Once you're sure your region is accurate, it's time to select your preferred payment method. Wix offers a variety of payment methods, including popular options like PayPal. Choose the one that works best for you. If you don't see an option you like right away, click on See More Payment Methods. This will allow you to explore additional options that may be available based on your region or specific needs. After selecting your preferred method, it's time to configure it. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Wix. These steps will vary depending on the payment method you choose. For example, if you select PayPal, you may need to log into your PayPal account and link it to Wix. Be sure to complete this process carefully and double-check all the details to avoid any payment issues later on. And that's it. Once you've connected and configured your payment method, you're all set to start receiving payouts from Wix. Anytime you make sales or generate revenue through your site, your earnings will be sent to the payment method you've just set up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.